Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Today's recipe is centered on the making of braised rice with chicken wings green sauce. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make pastries like cakes, meat pie, donuts, samosa, spring rolls, and we make all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices. Contact us with the information provided on the screen. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share my videos. And turn on your post notification icon to ensure that you don't miss any video that I post. The ingredients for today's recipe are 3 cups of rice, 3 red onions, a bottle of oil, 1.5 pound chicken wings, 3 tablespoons of salt, green pepper, ginger, and a small packet of chicken spices. Let's begin. Wash the chicken wings thoroughly and add in the chicken spices. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt onto the chicken wings and add in a little bit of water. Let it cook for 25 minutes. It's time to fry our chicken wings. Pour about 2 cups of oil into a frying pan and allow it simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes. Add in the chicken wings and fry it until it's golden brown. This is how the chicken wings should look like, crispy on the outside but tender and soft on the inside. Let's make our green sauce. Wash the green pepper, onions and ginger thoroughly and put it in a blender. Add some water to it and then blend the pepper, onions and ginger together. Now set it aside. In another saucepan, pour 4 tablespoons of oil into the saucepan and allow it simmer for about 3 minutes. Now pour into the saucepan the blended ingredients and allow it to cook until the water in it drains completely. The green sauce is ready. Now add in the fried chicken wings and stir it together with the sauce. Allow it to cook in the sauce for a few minutes and then take it off the sauce of heat. In another saucepan, pour into it 1.5 cups of oil. Add in some chopped red onions and allow the onions fry until it's a bit brownish. Pour in the rice. Now stir the rice and the oil together until they are evenly mixed. Add in some water into the saucepan, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and then stir everything together. Allow the rice cook for about 20 minutes. Now stir the halfway cooked rice and cover it up with a napkin for 10 more minutes. Our rice is ready now. It's time to serve our dish. Serve some of the rice onto a plate with the green sauce and the chicken wings. Now garnish it with some red onions like you see on the screen. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Till we meet again.